Hello, this is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing USA, and I would like to talk to you about a program that I think can change your practice forever. What does your most perfect client look like? How much money do they have? How much investable assets do they have? Are they married? They have kids in college? Are they business owners? What exactly criteria do they have that makes them a good fit for your practice? Now, let me ask you this next question. Are you getting in front of enough of these ideal prospects? Now, if you're like most advisors in the United States, the answer to that question is you're getting in front of enough, but you would like to get more. If you look and do a Google search for your around your practice, I'll bet you that you probably have 150, 200. Some of the bigger markets probably have 400 or 500 people offering financial service help. So how do you rise above the rest of the competition? How do you get in front of more of your ideal clients? Well, we have a program called Direct Mail Scout. Direct Mail Scout, it combines basically targeted direct mail with Google, Facebook, also YouTube, Gmail, and combines it all together where it targets a single client. So if you're trying to market these ideal clients by yourself, you're probably having a very hard time with it, because today the truth is that you need to do more than one advertising method to reach people to get, to have enough critical mass where you actually get a phone call and get in front of somebody. And plus you've got other bigger, more established competitors that are spending more money. Usually today, most of them are spending money on digital media like Facebook or Google pay-per-click ads and things like that. Maybe they're doing webinars and all that. So you're going to try to compete against that. We have a program that allows you to compete for a lot less money than you would spend if you were doing it by yourself, and it's all coordinated. Step one, we'll get a mailing list that targets your most ideal customer, and we'll put a targeted mailer in their hands that's been proven to work. Now, most people today, when they receive a mailer or see any kind of advertising, the first thing they do is they Google the company if they have any interest, and they go to your website. Now, the problem is 96, 97% of the traffic that goes to the average website leaves without ever taking any further action. They don't fill out a form, they don't call, they don't download the white paper or the special, ebook that you have on the website. They just leave and they go on to the next advisor that came on the Google search, and on the next one, the next one. So you've lost that prospect if you don't have mechanisms and tools in place to follow up with and identify with them. We have a program called Direct Mail Scout that we identify the people that go to your website with no form fill out. We follow them around on the internet once they go to your website, reminding them that, they were at your website. And all these mechanisms have unique call to actions to try to get them to call and get in front of you. If you would like a no obligation demonstration of how the Direct Mail Scout program works and how it can work for your practice to take your practice to another level, because let's face it, we're all in a very challenging environment now with the interest rates creeping up, taxes threatening to go up, inflation's going up. But this is a perfect storm if you're a financial advisor, because more people now are looking for answers and solutions and help than they ever have been. So the question then becomes, if you're going to get out there in front of enough potential new clients to actually make a difference. And we can do that for pennies, put you in front of these people, and we have a whole mechanism in place that tracks, follows up, and I would love to show it to you